Alright guys, time to roll out recipe number 1. And as I said, it's about sweet T&T. One of the things that many people all around the world come back for is our curry, our East Indian flavors. It's very different. You will eat curries all around the world, or when you come and eat a good Trini curry, yeah, there's something special about that. And one of the keys to that good curry that we have here in Trinidad and Tobago is an ingredient, is a spice called Geera. And I want to thank the folks at Macfoods for making this one possible, because if you don't know how to put on a good Geera chicken, Macfoods is here for you. They have a ready to go, ready seasoned Geera pork. Geera pork, Geera chicken, anywhere you go, that's just like good home style Trini food. This is so well seasoned, so well done. All I did here, guys, is have a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon or 2, getting nice and hot. And this is so no maths, no science. You don't even have to go and buy Geera spice anywhere. Boneless pork, and going straight in. You hear the sizzle? So this just needs about 5 minutes sauteing up nicely, getting nice and crispy, smelling that lovely Geera, and you just need to leave it there and just allow it to do its thing, allow it to kusume, and in no time, 5 minutes, you have Geera pork. And just like that, guys, you have a good, lovely taste at home. We have some Geera pork. Our first dish we're serving up. Thanks to the folks at Macfoods for making this one possible. A whole range of wonderful, ready to cook, ready to go meals, guys. Already seasoned. If you don't want to get your hands too dirty, Geera pork. So what we did today is we just not serving our special guest, the Geera pork. We have some nice little French bread that we're serving it with. You know, like we like to get a little fancy on Cup of Joe. We also did a creamy chutney sauce, really, really simple. This is some good mango chutney. We added some heavy cream, and this sauce kind of just mellows out. If you don't like the heavy spice of Geera, yeah, it just kind of mellows it out nicely. So I'm going to just add a little bit of this creamy chutney to go. Yep. Our Macfoods Geera pork with creamy chutney. Ladies and gentlemen, so my very, very special guest today is a young lady. Her name, Rachel Purcell. Who the hell is that? Well, she's been burning up the soca waves, born and bred here in Sweet T&T, made her way to the US, and almost making it full circle as she is here for a tour introducing her music. She's been doing some fabulous stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on the Cup of Joe set, the sweetheart of soca, RAE.
Yeah, I say yeah. Well, it's RAE, so what you say, just bring it now. Bring the thing, just bring it now. See when I wind and fling it, bring it now. Oh gosh, now where you, I want you, give me the thing where you say half of me. Boy, just bring the thing where you say half of me. Oh gosh, I want you, treat me right now. I don't want you to go ride a bike now. Oh Lord, I want you, give me the thing where you say half of me. Bring me ting now. I don't want you to go ride all night now. Wind me down now, why you bring me ting now. And watch me bubble and roll it. Give me the ting now. I don't want you to go ride all night now. Wind me down now, why you bring me ting now.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. You are here finally.
Yes.
So funny story how we met. But we'll get into that a little later. But ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ray. Have a seat.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
So the first thing you do on this show when you come on this show, Ray, is to sample the food.
Well, all right.
So I want you to have some Geera Pork is something that you would have known in Toronto Bakery.
Yeah.
You know Geera Pork.
Yeah. How you mean?
Yeah, I know you're eating burgers and fries for a little while. But I know you know Geera Pork.
Of course.
So I just want to take a little piece, and I really want you just to drizzle some of this wonderful chutney that we want to go with Geera Pork.
Right.
You can do it fancy with a little bread, but I just want you to probably taste a little bit
Right.
and tell me tell me your thoughts.
Let me go with the fancy thing.
You're going with the fancy thing?
Let me go. And then I drizzle in it, right?
A little drizzle. So I just want a little drizzle. A little drizzle. Nice drizzle there.
All right. As it tastes test. I can't talk.
Macfoods Geera Pork, guys. If you're not feeling to get your hands dirty, ready to cook meals, and that Geera Pork saying some things, Ray is
I can't talk.